This exhibition is really fascinating for me because it's got many of those kind of traditional Chinese forms. You've got the ceramics, the kind of the basketry, the weavery, often with this kind of contemporary edge. And I think that's one of the interesting things about this idea about how do we take traditional things but also make them new so that they appeal to contemporary people living contemporary lives today. And in doing so, how you make sure that traditional craft people, still have a market, still are able, to make a living from, their practice, because that's what will keep crafts alive.